Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of industrial hand and power tools. Before we begin our presentation, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support, from our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. Online instructor resources, specially created by Teachers for Teachers, are packages of instruction that save you time and make it easier to prepare for class, reinforce new concepts, and assess learning. These complete teaching packages are ready to go and will instantly make a difference in your class. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as editable lesson plans, PowerPoint presentations, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Interactive content. Additional interactive content, including flashcards and other interactive activities to enhance the learning experience. Review questions can be completed and submitted to the instructor digitally. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with industrial hand and power tools includes the digital textbook, review activities, and the digital companion. The Digital Companion is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Industrial Hand and Power Tools is a foundational, comprehensive text designed to help students identify, select, properly use, and care for the common hand and power tools used in industrial and manufacturing careers. The content focuses on tool care, storage, safety, tool physics, measurement, basic hand tools, fasteners, and power tools. Industrial Hand and Power Tools is a foundational, comprehensive text designed to help students identify, select, and properly use common hand and power tools used in industrial and manufacturing careers. Each tool chapter includes the following: categories of the tool, a description of each tool type, an image or diagram of the tool, specific uses and applications for the tool, safe and effective usage, proper care and storage. Additional content that complements tool knowledge includes the following: comprehensive discussions of fasteners, both threaded and non-threaded, tools and techniques for thread formation and repair, measurement principles as a lead-in to comprehensive discussion of measurement tools, calibration of measurement tools, materials, mainly steel, as they apply to tools and fasteners, physics, specifically mechanics, as it applies to tools and fasteners with minimal math, suggestions for building a comprehensive but still portable personal technician's toolbox. The instructional design of this textbook includes student-focused learning tools to help students succeed. Each chapter opener contains a list of learning outcomes and a list of technical terms. Learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be gained when the chapter is completed. These outcomes are labeled and correlated to related assessment elements to facilitate reporting and remediation. Technical terms list the key words to be learned in the chapter. All of these technical terms are defined in a comprehensive glossary at the end of the text. An overview provides a preview of the chapter content. Color photos and illustrations are featured throughout the text to make it easy for students to clearly identify the right tool for the job. Many anatomy of a tool. Illustrations label specific parts of tools to highlight functions and their locations. Proper body positioning for use with certain tools is also highlighted. Hands-on activities actively engage you to apply what you learned by practicing the use of tools in a classroom workshop and answering questions to reflect on the results. Instructor evaluation and competency test tables are provided for these activities so that you have a clear understanding of competency expectations and instructors have ready-made grading criteria. Appendix A provides suggestions for building your own toolbox. It describes 3 different tool sets: minimal, optimal, and comprehensive. Each version includes a list of recommended tools and a photograph of the tools that are included. Appendix B provides information about different organizations whose charter includes hand tools, power tools, safety, or other topics that were covered in this book. These organizations are valuable sources of additional information. End of chapter material provides an opportunity for review and application of concepts. A concise summary provides an additional review tool and reinforces key learning outcomes. This helps you focus on important concepts presented in the text. Know and understand questions enable you to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of chapter material. Apply and analyze questions, extend learning, and develop your abilities to use learned material in new situations and to break down material into its component parts. Critical thinking questions develop higher-order thinking and problem-solving abilities. Identification tests assess your ability to distinguish and recognize tools, as well as their parts. The Industrial Hand and Power Tools video library includes 39 videos to supplement and reinforce classroom instruction. High-quality videos of tooling use demonstrations, accompanied by clear narrations, enable visual learners and struggling readers to clearly understand the content. Skilled technicians use a lot of tools, and learning to identify all of these tools can be challenging. By practicing with this virtual toolbox, which contains Toolbox e-flashcards, you'll learn how to identify tools like a pro. The image library for Industrial Hand and Power Tools is a collection of nearly all of the textbook illustrations in electronic format. Instructors can insert individual illustration files into other applications to create customized presentations, handouts, worksheets, study guides, and assessments. Download an entire chapter's images by clicking on the zip download link. You can also download an individual image from a chapter in the web gallery by opening an image, then right-clicking and selecting Save As. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Visit www.g-w.com to learn more about industrial hand and power tools.